Want to make sure your Adobe Photoshop is always running at its peak, with the latest features and fixes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to update your Photoshop to the newest version, so you can stay creative, secure, and ahead of the curve. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know how to check for updates, kick off the process, and make sure your Photoshop stays fresh and ready for anything. So let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop. It might sound obvious, but starting with the program already running lets it check your current version and connect to Adobe for updates. If you're like me and have it pinned to your desktop or taskbar, just give it a click, or you can search for it in your Start menu. Wait a few moments as everything loads up. Sometimes larger photo libraries can cause a tiny delay when Photoshop starts, so don't worry if it takes a second. Once Photoshop is open, direct your attention up to the main menu bar at the very top of your screen. Here, where things get a bit more interesting, you want to look for the Help menu, usually sitting near the right end of the bar next to Window and Edit. Now, clicking on Help is more than just for when you're stuck. It's actually the gateway to all sorts of resources, and among them is the all-important option to update your software. After you click Help, a drop-down list appears. Take a moment and scan through it. You'll see options for tutorials, support, and down a bit further you'll find Updates. This is the magic button. Clicking Updates tells Photoshop to connect to Adobe's servers and check if there's a newer version available. This step matters because keeping Photoshop updated ensures you have access to new brushes, improved tools, bug fixes, and even performance upgrades. Think of it like tuning up your car. Regular updates keep everything running smoothly, and sometimes you even get exciting new features under the hood. If you're prompted, go ahead and confirm you want to check for updates. Sometimes, depending on your system settings, you might see a Creative Cloud window pop up. That's normal, and it's actually where the updating happens behind the scenes. Give it a few moments to fetch the latest information. Don't worry if it takes a minute. Faster internet speeds help, but Adobe sometimes has a lot to check. Once the Updates panel appears, it'll either tell you you're up to date, which is always nice, or it'll show an Update button next to Photoshop. If you see that button, just click it. Adobe does all the heavy lifting, downloading and installing the latest version right to your computer. You may need to close Photoshop during this process, and you might see a progress bar. Be patient, it just means your tools are getting a refresh so you can work without interruptions. And that's it. Keeping your Photoshop updated is quick, straightforward, and truly worth the couple of minutes it takes out of your day. It means fewer crashes, access to cool new features, and a smoother creative experience overall. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop me a comment if you ran into any issues or if you have questions about Photoshop updates. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, tips, and tricks to boost your creative workflow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.